no need to get worried. Okay. So today is starting the fresh topic, that is types of forces. All of you just write the heading types of forces in your copy. Write in your rough copy types of forces. Right. Written everyone? Written everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See,
Yes,
the
sir.
forces, all the forces that exist in nature are broadly classified into two types of categories. What are they? Contact forces and non-contact forces. Yes, Ayushman, tell what are the two categories of forces that that divides the all types of forces that exist in nature. Ayushman, hearing me? See again today. Okay, Ayushman, hearing me? Yes, Ayushman.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Uh, all the forces that are existent in nature are divided into two categories. What are they?
And non-contact force.
I think your sound is not audible to me. Leave the meeting and again join them.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aditya, tell. The forces that exist in nature are divided into two categories. What are they?
Sir, contact force and non-contact force.
Yes, Anik Devnath, what are the two categories of forces?
Sir, contact force and non-contact force.
Yes, Meghalim, what are the two categories of forces?
Sir, contact force and non-contact force.
Yes, very good. Yes, Devashish Sharma, I think you are new today, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the two categories of forces that I have said just now?
Sir, contact forces and non-contact forces.
Yes. Vidhan Sonar, do you agree with me that there are two categories of forces, contact force and non-contact forces? Yes. Answer me. There are what? Two categories of forces, contact forces and non-contact forces. Okay. Let us move ahead. Okay. Yes. This is a diagram, general diagram. All of you try to draw this diagram. Forces are divided into two categories. Like this, you draw. Simply draw. Okay. Simply draw. Drawn the diagram?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Moving to the next slide. Yes. What is the definition of contact forces? The definition of contact force is that the force applied on a body through physical contact is called contact force. Yes, Purab. Yes, Purab, repeat the definition which is flashing on the screen.
The forces applied on a body through physical contact is called contact force.
Yes, very good. Yes, everyone understood the definition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move to the next slide. Yes, see, contact forces are further classified into more 5 types. Okay, so what are those? Let us see. First one is the normal force.
Normal force.
Second one is the frictional force. Yes. Third one is what? Spring force.
Spring force.
Fourth one is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Tension force. Okay. And
Applied force.
last and the fifth force is what? Applied force. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let us move to the next slide. Yes. Anyone asking something? No. All clear. Okay. Okay. Let us move to the next slide. Yes. See. Seeing the diagram, all of you? Seeing the diagram, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first
Yes, sir.
write in your copy
Yes, sir.
normal heading, write the heading normal force. Write the heading normal force and try to draw this diagram which is flashing on your screen. Write the heading normal force and try to draw the diagram which is flashing on your screen. All of
This
you
one we have
mute
to
your
write
sound.
normal force.
All of you mute your sound, please. I am not able to hear anything.
Sir, we have to write normal force is exerted
No,
on.
no, no, no. You don't write anything. You just write the heading and you try to draw the diagram which is shown in your screen. Drawn the diagram, everyone? Drawn the diagram, everyone?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. See everyone, please see, look at this diagram. Look at this diagram. See, here one table is there. Okay, here one table is there. Okay, and on the top of the table one book is placed. Okay, here N2, the arrow which you are seeing, okay, the arrow which you are seeing is the normal force applied by the book on the table, N2. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, and the N1 arrow you are is the normal force applied by the table on the book. Okay, okay, yes or no? Any doubt, everyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Understood very clearly?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So due to this force, this book is lying on the table. Otherwise, it would have slipped off from the table. Okay, because of this force only, normal force, the book is lying on the table. Okay, everyone. So let us study the definition. Normal force is exerted on an object that is in contact with another stable object. Yes, very clear. This is an object, book is an object, table is also an object. Both are stable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And both are applying normal force on each other. What are the names of those normal forces? N1 and N2. Aditya, tell what are the names of the normal forces shown in this diagram? Aditya, I am not able to hear your sound because you have mute your voice.
N1 and N2.
Yes. N1 is applied by which object and on which object?
So N1 is applied by the table on the book.
Yes, very good. Yes, Ayushman, tell N2 is applied by which object on which object? Yes, Ayushman. No answer, no answer. Yes, Bidhan, tell me. N2 is applied by which object on which object? Not, Vidhan, I am not able to hear your voice. Say louder. I am not able to hear your voice. Aryan, tell. N2 is applied by which object on which object?
It is applied on book to the table.
It's applied on book to the table. Say clearly, say clearly.
Sir, N2 is applied in the book to the table.
No, you are saying wrong. Yes, Ayushman is there in the meeting.
Oh, sir, yes, leave.
Yes, left. No, okay, no problem. Yes, see here, book. There are two objects. One is table and one is book. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, N1 is a normal force applied by the table on the book. Okay. And N2 is the normal force applied by the book on the table. Understood? Aryan, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. This concept is clear to everyone. Normal force. Normal forces.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Let us move to the next slide. Yes. Now is the frictional force. What is the second type of contact force? What is the second type of contact force?
Frictional force. Frictional force.
Frictional force. Yes.
Frictional-
Meghalin, please read the definition. Meghalin.
Sir, the force exerted between
Yes, between the
the
object.
force exerted between objects
Yes.
when one object moves over the other is called frictional force or friction. Frictional force is an opposing force. It opposes the motion of objects.
Okay. You are reading the book. I am telling. I told you to read only the
Yeah.
definition which is flashing on your screen. Okay, no need to read the book. Yes. Yes. Anyone can explain the definition to me? Who will explain the definition to me? Please raise your hand and then answer. Please raise your hand and then answer. There is an option to raise the hand. Yes, Ujjal Chetri wants to answer. Explain. Can you explain the definition? No one is answering. Yes, Ayushman, will you explain? Ayushman. No, Aditya, you explain. Yes, Meghalim, you want to explain? Yes, Meghalim, explain.
Sir, when one object moves over the other is called frictional force.
No,
When one
See, I asked you to explain the definition. I did not tell you to read the definition as it is. Okay. So listen to me carefully, everyone. See, in the diagram, see, this is a diagram. Okay. Did you know about golf? Do you know about golf?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, this in golf there is there is a game. It is a game where the player has to hit the small ball to the hole. Okay, so this is the hole. So this is the hole. Okay, this is the golf ball. Okay, so the player with his stick has hit the ball, and the ball rolling and rolling came to the end of the hole, but it could not enter the hole. Why? Because see the arrows. This was the direction of the moving ball, and this was the direction of the frictional force. So due to this frictional force, the ball stopped in the midway and could not enter the hole. It stopped in the middle of the path, and as a result, it could not enter the hole. Everyone understood the explanation? Everyone understood the explanation?
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
Who can't hear me?
Sir, Devashish.
Devashish. Okay, Devashish, no problem. I will. You just listen. You just attend the meeting. I will send the video to you. Okay. Okay. So, Aryan, did you understand my explanation? You did not understand my explanation. Okay, no problem. I will explain once again. See, do you know about golf game? Aryan, do you know about golf game? Yes. What is the game about? How is the game played? Can you tell me?
Sir, there is one small ball.
Yes.
And the player hits the ball.
Yes.
One small circle is there.
Yes.
Sir, like to there.
Yes. Okay. No problem. Yes. In the golf game, the player needs to hit the ball and put it inside the hole. Okay. So in the diagram only I have shown the hole. Okay, and the ball. I did not show the entire player and his stick. I just showed the ball and the hole. Now just see the directions. Okay. See, first direction is the direction of the moving ball. The ball is supposed to move in this direction. Okay, the ball is supposed to move in this direction, but it stopped in the middle. Why it could not enter the hole? Because in the opposite direction, that is this, I am showing by highlighting. Okay, please see the my cursor. Okay, due to this force, which is called the frictional force or friction, the ball stopped in the middle, and as a result could not enter the hole. Okay, so we can say that due to friction, the ball stopped in the middle and could not enter the hole. Why the ball could not enter the hole and stopped in the middle of the path? Aryan, tell why it could not enter the hole. Yes, Meghalim, you are understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you explain what I have said. You just explain what I have explained.
So the ball didn't went to the hole because of the friction that the ground was exerting on the ball.
Very good, very good. I think you have understood very nicely. Yes, Rajdeep, can you tell why the ball did not enter the hole?
Sir, your voice is not coming nicely.
Okay, no problem. I will send you the video. Vidhan, my voice is audible to you? Vidhan? Debashish, my voice is audible to you?
No, sir.
Coming like
So little bit coming, but many times it doesn't come.
Okay, no problem. I will send you the video. Okay, Vidhan, you are not able to listen my voice completely or partially? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Ankur. Yes, Ankur,
Yes, sir.
you are
Yes,
able
sir.
to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me, why did the ball could not enter the hole?
Sir, because the friction on the ground was very much. That's why.
Yes, it stopped in the middle, and as a result, it could not enter the hole. Is it that? Is it this reason? Because of this reason, the ball could not enter the hole?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I cannot hear you.
Who is saying that? Please tell your name.
Sir, Ujjal Chetri.
Okay, no problem. I will send you the video to you. Okay. If you are not able to
Yes.
hear my voice, please see the visuals. Please see the slide
Yes.
I'm trying to show you.
Ye-
Please read
Yes,
the
sir.
definitions. Please observe the diagram. Okay. Rest the
Yes,
video
sir.
sent to you. You can see
Yes, sir.
at your own pace. You can understand the video at your own pace. If you don't understand
Yes,
the
sir.
video, in the next class you can ask me. Okay. Or in the WhatsApp group,
Yes, sir.
you can type your doubt. I will resolve the doubt. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will clear your doubt. Okay. Now just
Yes, sir.
slides, whatever there is written, you read it, understand it, observe the diagram, observe the arrows, try to understand the direction of force, try to understand the
Yes, sir.
direction of the moving object. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, yesterday also like that only happened. I cannot hear only.
I think internet connection is weak. That's why.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So no problem. I will give you the video. You don't have to worry. Okay. Yes, Aditya.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Aditya does tell the reason why the ball stopped in the middle, why it could not enter the hole. What is the reason?
Sir, sir, the ball stopped in the middle because of the friction of the ground.
Yes, the friction was given by the ground to the ball.
Ball.
Yes, it opposed the direction of the moving ball. It was the direction of the force was in the direction opposite to the moving ball. Okay, those who are hearing my voice, is the explanation clear to them? Those who are hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Meghalim, my explanation is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us move to the next slide. See, another type of force. What is the name of this force? Write the heading applied force in your copy. Write the heading applied force in your copy. Write the heading applied force in your copy. Yes, Anik Devnath, write the heading applied force in your copy. Yes, written everyone the heading. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anik Devnath, please read the definition. Read the definition.
When a person applied a force on an object, it is called applied force. The force is also known as muscular force.
No, it is known as muscular force. Okay. Yes.
Force.
Meghalim, can you explain the definition to everyone? Yes, Meghalim, answer.
Yes, sir.
Explain the definition to everyone.
Sir, voice is not coming properly.
Oh, I think your internet connection is also weak. Okay, everyone listen.
Sir, yeah, now I hear you.
Yes, explain the definition to everyone. The definition of applied force. Look at the screen, understand it, read it, and explain to everyone. Do fast. I think not understood, Meghalin. Okay, no problem. See everyone. See everyone.
Sir,
Yes. Raise your hand. Who wants to say? Please raise your hand.
sir, I. Sir, I.
Aryan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell
Sir.
what you want. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I can tell.
Who? Name? Tell your name.
Kingshuk.
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 Yes, tell. Kingshuk, both tell.
When a person applies a force on an object, it is called an applied force. Means when a person apply one apply one uh, apply one force on something, the force the person has give the force in the object. It is called applied force.
Yes, well tried. Very good. Very good. I will explain more clearly. Okay, to everyone, I will explain more clearly. See the diagram once again. Everyone, please see the diagram. See, this is what a dumbbell. Okay, do you go to the gym? Anyone goes to the gym? No one goes to the gym.
No, sir.
Okay. Do you must have seen the gym equipments in TV, television, films, movies. Yes. See,
Yes,
this
sir.
is this apparatus is known as a dumbbell. Okay. 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 See how the person is able to lift the dumbbell. Weight. Okay. It is a weight. Okay. How the person is able to lift the weight? Because he has applied a muscular force M1. Okay, and the weight is applying a force, a normal force, M2. Okay, there are two types of forces working. Okay, one is M2 and M1. Here M2 is another force and M1 is another force. Okay, M2 is the force
Yes, sir.
applied by the weight on the hands of the man, and M1 is
Sir,
the
what?
force applied by the man on the weight. That is the muscular force. Okay, understood everybody?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. Sir,
Who has not understood? Please tell your name.
sir, the voice is not coming.
Okay, Aryan, I have said only I will send you the video. Not, you don't need to worry. Okay, this is all due to the internet connection. Okay, yes, everyone, I will like to announce that I am doing offline classes. Okay, see, there you will understand more clearly. There will be no problem of internet connection. Okay, if you think that I am very good than your teachers, school teachers, and I am able to explain more clearly to you, then you are very free to come and consult me. And you can also ask Aditya Das that how I teach in offline classes. Okay, I think everyone has Aditya Das phone number. Everyone has Aditya
sir.
Das. Yes, please talk
Yes,
to him.
sir.
Please take out some time and talk to him. See, in online classes there is always internet problem. Okay, and somebody hears and somebody does not hear. So I think that there is very much problem in these types of classes, but I will still continue these types of classes for the benefit of everyone. But still, anyone needs more help. If anyone thinks that if you join my offline classes, it will be more beneficial to you, please come and join my offline classes. Okay, very affordable fees. You don't need to worry that it will be very expensive. It is not expensive. You can join it. Okay, and you can consult with Aditya Das for further information. Okay. Yes, I will send the video to everyone, and till this much anybody has doubt, please say. Those who are hearing me, please say. Those who are hearing me, anybody has doubt? Every force is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Kingshuk Bose is the explanation clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand frictional force? Kingshuk
What, sir?
Bose, did you understand the frictional force?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the normal force?
Sir, I have.
Normal force, did you
Sir,
understand?
no,
Yes.
sir.
Normal force you did not understand.
No, sir. I was not come. that
Okay,
time.
okay, no problem. I will send you the video. Okay. Bidhan Sonar,
Yes, sir.
did you understand the three types of forces that were discussed today? Normal force, frictional force, and muscular force or applied force? Understood? Okay. Aditya Das understood all the three types of forces?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meghalim understood all the three types of forces? Meghalim understood all the three types of forces? Meghalim understood all the three types of forces? Okay. Yes, Purab understood all the three types of forces. Do you have any doubt? Ujjal Chetri understood all the three types of forces. Rajdeep understood all the three types of forces.
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Any problem? Debashish Sharma understood all the three types of forces.
Yes, sir.
Debashish Sharma,
Yes, sir.
tell me what is the definition of normal force by looking at your screen.
Sir, I have only understand the last one, sir. Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Yes, Anik Debnath understood all the three types of forces.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what do you mean by muscular force or applied force? Yes, tell me.
Sir, when a person applied a force on an object, it is
Yes.
called an applied force.
Yes, to lift a weight, heavy weight, to lift your school bag, you also apply a force. To push a table, you also apply a force. To pick up a bucket full of water, you apply a force. And these types of forces which you apply is known as what? Applied force. Anik Debnath understood? Anik Debnath understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aryan understood all the three types of forces?
Sir, but sir, only frictional force I can't.
Sir,
Yes. Who else?
sir, can I leave the meeting and join again?
Debashish Sharma.
Yes, sir.
The meeting is going to end only. I will send you tomorrow's link. Okay. Today there is no more meeting. Everyone, today there is no more meeting. This was the first and the last meeting. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
yes, today.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Okay, I know there is internet problem. I know there is internet problem. The internet connection is very weak. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have understand the normal force and applied force, but frictional force I can't.
Aryan, you did not understand the frictional force.
Yes, sir. That time your voice is not coming.
Okay. Aryan, I would like to tell you that my time is going to end, but I will send you the video. Okay. You please hear the video 2-3 times. Okay. Okay. You listen to the video 2-3 times. If you have any doubt, you ask me tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So for last time, I am asking you that do you have any problem?
Sir, I say?
Yes. Say fast. 3 minutes are there. Say fast.
Sir, on the chapter 4, many of them is not understood the conversion of force to neutrons.
Okay, I will come to that point one by one. Let me do the first initial things. Okay, I know. I will help you. You need not worry. I will help you. I will help each and everyone. Yes.
Sir, in the group you will send the video.
Okay. I will send the video. Okay, I will send the video. You all watch it 2-3 times very carefully. And if you have doubt, then you ask me tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any problem till now? Yes, Seema.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, Maimon has not added me in the group, sir.
Okay, you contact with Aditya Das. I see. Yes, Kingshuk, if you have any problem, you come to my home. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where
Sir,
is
I
your
live
home?
very far.
Where you live?
Aditya Das is-
See, meeting has ended only. Yes, Kingshuk, tell. Yes, Kingshuk, tell where you live.
Sir, Borbil number 2.
Yes, your father cannot come to my house. Your father or any elder person?
No, sir. Sir, no one is there in my home. Only father, mother, and I and my brother lives.
Okay, tell your father to meet me if you want more help from me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, including yesterday's class and today's class. Again, I am asking, anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
So can
No,
I?
sir.
So can I end today's meeting?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I will end today's meeting and send the video immediately to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Good evening and bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.